Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to settle up using the Splitwise app on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so in order to set it up, just go ahead and open up your Splitwise app on your device. And now, as it states here, apparently I owe $37.50 to Luke. So if I already paid that amount, what we can do is go ahead and click onto the name, and then it will say settle up because I've paid the remaining balance to him either via bank transfer or cash. I'm going to click on settle up, and now there's the $37.50 is what I've paid. And now I'm going to click on the tick button on the top right hand corner, and then it will say hooray, you're all settled up. If you want to share your settle up on your social medias, you can, or come back here and just, you'll be able to see you're all settled up now. Tap the show settled expenses, so you can tap that if you like. So yeah, brief history of your Splitwise information or account will be shown under here.